Toyota's beefy Sequoia SUV is based on the Tundra full-size pickup, with similar chunky styling and lane-filling size. Unlike Ford and GM rivals, the Sequoia comes in just one length, and while a third row of seats is standard, the solid axle rear suspension makes for a more cramped back bench than in other full-size SUVs. Toyota's Grand Highlander has better third-row accommodations. The Sequoia's packaging compromises also impinge on its cargo hold, which is less commodious than the domestics. All Sequoias are motivated by a twin-turbocharged V6 with hybrid assistance, which summons a robust 437 horsepower and delivers respectable fuel economy for such a large vehicle. And this is a big boy, an impression clearly conveyed to the ship captain behind the wheel. The price of the 2025 Toyota Sequoia starts at $64,120 and goes up to $85,660 depending on the trim and options. The limited trim appears to offer the best value in the lineup. Although it's only one step up from the base SR5, it comes with a host of additional goodies standard. Those items include a larger 14.0-inch touchscreen, a power liftgate, 20-inch wheels, heated and cooled front seats, and a power-folding third row. The Sequoia's large interior continues in this new generation, with a third row of seats as standard equipment. A second-row bench setup with an 8-passenger capacity is standard, with optional second-row captain's chairs reducing the number of seats to 7. Headroom is limited in both rear rows, particularly when equipped with the optional panoramic sunroof, and a high floor reduces legroom for backbenchers. With a wide range of trim levels available, the interior appointments run the gamut from plain to fancy, and include cloth and leather upholstery and varying levels of wood and chrome trim as you walk up the price ladder. Higher trim levels offer features like heated and cooled second-row seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium stereo system. The Sequoia's cargo area isn't as accommodating as other rivals, however. With the rear seat in use, there's only 12 cubic feet of cargo space out back, although the rearmost seat can slide forward to make more space, but folding the third row down doesn't result in a flat load floor. The old Sequoia's dated touchscreen setup has been swapped out for the large 14.0-inch touchscreen found in the Tundra. This screen comes standard on all but the base State Route 5 and will use Toyota's latest infotainment software, which offers all manner of smartphone mirroring and other connectivity options including a Wi-Fi hotspot and various music streaming options. For 2025, the Sequoia adds the Cowboy Fancy 1794 trim level, as seen on the Tundra pickup. The Sequoia 1794 sits above the Platinum but below the capstone and includes a brown leather interior with walnut wood grain trim, Texas-sized badges, a panoramic sunroof, second-row captain's chairs, and a towing package.